Hey folks, Rock here. I just picked up this sled last night. We got a little bit, I picked up the sled a couple days ago. We got a little bit of snow. This is a 2015 Polaris, what is it? Pro S 800. So we're gonna unload it here, and we'll give her a little test run. So I've actually already messed with it. I probably should have done it on the video, but I bought this thing thinking it might have been blown up. I got a good price on it because, like I said, you would go to pull it over, and it was acting like the pistons were seized up. They said it was running last year, and they went to move it, and it stalled out or something. I'm not exactly sure, but all I know is I thought I was going to be rebuilding this one, and I ended up all that I did was pulled the belt off. She fired right up. The clutch was sticking. So very happy with that outcome. Actually, I should start this thing up. The electric start don't work. It just clicks. So I think either the starter or the solenoid's junk. Or maybe it might not even have electric start. I'm not sure. But there she goes. She sounds good. And the belt's back on there now. So I don't know. It might need some clutch work, but for now, the clutch is working. So. There we go. We'll let her warm up for a minute, and then we'll back it off the trailer. Alright, she's fairly warm, so reverse kick straight in, that's a good sign. Nope, what do we got going on here? Let's take a look at this thing. So like I said, 15 Polaris Pro S 800 HO. Runs great. Look at the mileage. 934 miles. Now that's a trip. Yeah, 934 miles, 65 hours. That's awesome. And I thought I was going to be rebuilding this thing. That's great. Let's give this thing a whirl. All right, let's hop on this and give her a whirl. First time I've been on it. I figured it was going to be a while before I even clutch is sticking. There she goes. Yeah. Well, we got to do some clutch work to her. That's all right. We can still try it out. Maybe running it'll actually loosen it up. About 125 degrees, so we're still we're plenty warmed up. Oh, this thing's got some power. Yeah, so we really don't have a whole lot of snow here. We maybe got 6-8 inches last night, I think, somewhere in there. So I'm not going to be able to take it for a ride too much, but when we get a little more snow, maybe in a couple days, I'm going to put this 800 up to my 600 Indy, see how they compare as far as speed goes. Now this is a short track, Pro S, so it's 120, somewhere around there, 121. I'm not sure exactly what Polaris runs, but let's see what she's got. got good power. It really does. It's that little short track really spins. It lifts the skis off the ground. It does. Alright, let's come to a stop here and just see if that clutch is unstuck. It is. Nice. Probably should pull it off and service it still, but that's good to know. Probably just from sitting, might have got a little rust on it or a little corrosion. Alright, let's see what we can do here. Yeah, this will be fun to put it up against the 600. It's a pretty fun sled. We need some more snow, as you can see. I mean, this is a hay field that never got hayed at the end of the last year, so definitely sticking up a little more than it could be. Okay, we'll give her one more good little run. That'll be it for this, because like I said, we don't have much snow anyway. So, all right, we'll do it crossways here. Definitely lifts the skis off the ground to begin with. All right, I'm not sure on the stopping distance on this 120 track. It's not bad actually. Studded a little bit. Man, you gotta love that 800 power. But I would like to see, like I said, we're gonna put that 600 to this. I gotta get somebody, maybe I'll get my brother over here to try that out. Put him on this 800.